Okay, here we have the fishing platform at Lakeside Drive. Large fishing platform, and you can see a couple of pelicans out there in the distance. And as we fly across there, we'll come close to the pelicans, you'll see the boardwalk on the right. We'll go a bit higher now, so it gives us a bit better view of the scenery. Very calm day, so the water's nice and glassy and nice reflection in the waters. There's the second fishing platform along there, and somebody walking along there with their dog. Coming up to the third fishing platform on the bend there, start of Cools Inlet, and the boardwalk becomes an asphalt walk and then a metal walk. Comes up to Lakeside Drive, and we have several jetties along here belonging to people in Mallacoota. And as we fly down into the back of Cools Inlet, you'll notice a new boardwalk that's just around the high area there, that dangerous corner. You can walk on the low side when you're walking around the inlet there. And notice in the back of the inlet they've done some work as Shady Gully comes into, the water comes through there, they've put a pipe under the road and improved the path in the background there. Here are the jetties in Cools Inlet. Background there you'll see the road that goes into town, and got the Mallacoota high boat and several jetties along there. Coming up to the wharf now, and you'll see the Lockhart Park there and the slipway. There's a couple of barges there, or floating platforms for the people that are working on the seawall, the new seawall. We fly into the caravan park, the foreshore park as they call it. You'll see the new concrete seawall that they built along there. And that part of the road's being removed and landscaped, turning into a walkway. Switching back to the wharf again, you get another view of Cools Inlet. There's a new toilet block down the back corner of Cools there. We flew past it before. Here's the original green toilet block. Let's call it shower block. Give a better look of the work that they're doing there on the new retaining wall. That part collapsed in one of the floods a couple of years ago. Flew past the bakery and the shops in the back corner there. See the pub and town in the background there. And middle of the foreshore park. A few campers there. Camp office in the background there used to be the Tide restaurant. Flying up towards Stevenson Point, past the church and the hall. This is called Captain Stevenson's Point. Great place to have a view and look around, or a picnic. A couple of little tables there, and people fish off that point. The water's a bit deeper there, and they're catching fish in that big part there. You can see the tide's coming in, so the seawater's coming in, mixing with the brown water from the recent rains. Background there you'll see the Bastion Point boat ramp, and of course here's the mouth. The mouth opened in July 2020, July 2020, the 21st. Opened up by some digging machines, and it's remained open ever since. It's moved slightly towards the south down that way, and see this looks like a small boat out there doing some fishing. Spin round, you'll see Gabo Island in the background along the beach, and the ranges, the Howe Ranges, as you head off towards New South Wales. Now you can see the lower lake, you can see Horse Island and Goat Island and Rabbit Island in the background, and coming back around to the foreshore park and looking straight at Captain Stevenson's Point. In the background you'll see the Genoa Point, the ranges, and the rest of the caravan park being passed. In the distant background there, Betka Beach and the golf club. Heading across the mouth now, along the main beach towards Bastion Point. There's some people walking on the beach there, little ants down there on the beach. Dog there as well, a couple of dogs. And looks like the water's possibly going to break through that part of the sand there. Might find it time to come the Mouth moves further down towards Bastion Point. I've seen it right hard up against the other end of the beach in the past. Now we're flying back over the top end of the Foreshore Park. Quite a few campers there. See the amenities block. Flying past the kindergarten. We're getting a new kindergarten soon. The hall, and there's the church and the op shop behind it. The muddy in the background, the mud brick. The new hall. And coming back towards the centre of the Foreshore Park. Just opposite the main street. You can see the whole main street and the roundabout. Beltex down the end of the other side of the roundabout. Coming back to shops, the Crow Chinkalunk Cafe, the ice cream shop and the bakery, at the Lakuta Wharf. Now we'll head off the platform again. We'll see a TV tower at the back of Bulls Inlets, and that's a telecom tower. It's belonging to Optus. And just coming into view on the right is the Telstra Tower. And just behind the smoke in the background, you've got Genoa Peak. In the foreground there, we've got the lakeside boardwalk coming around to the fishing platform where we started. And we'll head further down and do another spin around and have a good look at what we can see up here. We started quite low and we're now currently flying at 120 metres above the lake. Bulls Inlet again, wharf, whole of the park, mouth with Bastion Point in the background. Spinning around further, we'll see the islands. Dabo in the background. Outranges, which are part of going to New South Wales on the other side of the lake. And there's the lower lake. In the background there you can see the run up into the Narrows. So that's beautiful Mallacoota. So I hope you enjoyed your